Good evening, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. This one has 4 stars in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 5th. 2024, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and this one, the binary puzzle. So it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8479. 8479. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, double those numbers. Alright, 16, but it's indicated. It's a 4 stars, indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me check for single boxes. No single boxes here. How about dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes then? I have here one triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Here, 4 or a 5. Alright, more triple boxes here. No. How about quadra boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. We have a quadra box, but that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4, and this quadra box should be here. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here we have also a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. More quadra boxes? No. Then, my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. This case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4 is also connected with this box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then let me see. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. But also that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. How about this? Now I need to think. Okay. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I need a 3 here. Alright. Let me go up. Well. 1. I'm thinking. Come on. Well. 4, 5, 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3 here. Yeah. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. I need a 3 here. Well. Come on. This box. 3 and a 4 here. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. This box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Wow. This box, oh wait, this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here. If I place the 1 here, no. One conclusion. 1. So here could be a 1. I need a 2, need a 3. Where's the opening? This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 and a 5 are left. Here can also not be 4 or a 5. We have 4 and a 5 there. I need a 2 here. I'm thinking. Come on. 1 or 2 here. 1, 4, 5. So 2. Yeah. This box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be a 3. It's in the same area. Can be a 4. And can be a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this area should be supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. 2 or a 3 here. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this W area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3, this box can be 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the 2 and the 3. I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. And now, 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, I think. This box can be 2, we have a double 2 there. That box can be 2, we have a 2 here. So 1 box left for 2. Oh wait, we already have a 2 in the same area. Okay, how about the 3? Well, this box can be 3, we have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. Two numbers left. For numbers 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then let me see. Well, I think this box. Oh, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now in the same area, so this box should be a 4. One box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. Finish. No, not finished. Go up. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. One box left in this area for number 4. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now it's finished in 60 minutes. Wow. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars. I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. So have a great and fantastic Friday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes. Saturday will be a Memorial Day, and Sunday it will be Liberation Day. So see you then. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Yeah, it's a weekend.